Is Webmoney legit? Is Webmoney safe? Can you trust Webmoney? Let's just talk about it in this video. So if you're thinking of using Webmoney to send and receive money online, you might be thinking about using Webmoney as one of the wallets that's available. So Webmoney has been available for more than 20 years now, as of 2025, and they are used by millions of users worldwide, and they do offer a strong security and support, and also they also do act as an alternative to banking. So they use these Webmoney units that basically are your cash. Here's what people complain about. Some people say they do get blocked out of their accounts, and when they try to look for support, they don't get the support. So basically, poor customer service, account freezes, verification. People sometimes also complain that the process to verify your ID or who you are sometimes is a headache. Then there are issues where the site often just switches over to Russian. I'm on the app at the moment. But if you go to the website, sometimes for no reason it just switches over to Russian, because Webmoney is originally a Russian platform and the design is not the best in 2025. Come on, it's not the best design, but does it work? It does work. So then there's an issue where people also say there is no investor protection. So if something goes wrong on Webmoney, you are basically on your own, because there's nobody to talk to. So Webmoney is real and it's legit, but it's not the most user friendly, especially for people outside of Russia. And if you are tech savvy and know the risks, it might work for you. There are also problems with moving money from your Webmoney to various banks, as well as cards and the sort, especially if you're outside of Russia, since Russia at the moment is under sanctions.